Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create spiral text effect in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its case to upper. Select text, and change its font to Metropolis Extra Bold. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Then open the Brushes panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. And drag the text to it. Select the pattern brush, and hit OK. Follow my settings. And hit OK. And delete the text. Go to the Ellipse tool, and create a circle shape. Change its fill to outline. Go to the Edit menu, Copy. Then open the Brushes panel, and click on Text Brush. And then paste in front. And increase its stroke weight to 90. Right-click, arrange and send it to back. Go to the Gradient panel, and apply the black and white gradient to it. Click on Middle Stroke. And rotate it. Select both, right-click and group them. Go to the Effect menu, Distort and Transform, and then Transform. Follow my settings. And hit OK. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.